What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me Prasanna Subedi. Finally I'm here, MBBS student from BPKHS, Taran, Nepal. So today I'm making this video about BPKHS, that is how to join BPKHS or everything you need to know about BPKHS. In all of my videos I got these comments. So this video is dedicated to all those medical aspirants living in India and Nepal who want to join BPKHS. And I will be talking about the procedures you need to do to join BPKHS, the seats available for Indian students, for Nepali students, the scholarship, the fee, the books you need to read, etc. So let's begin. So BP Koirala Institute of Health Science is the largest medical college in Nepal that lies in the eastern city of Nepal called Dharan. It was established in January 18, 1993. So it is a 700-bedded tertiary healthcare center. So many of you keep on asking if it is a private college or a government college. So it is neither private nor government. So it is an autonomous institute that is partially controlled by government of Nepal. Moving on to faculties and programs run by BPKHS. In undergraduate, BPKHS has MBBS, BDS, Bachelor in Science Nursing, BSc MIT. In postgraduate, we have MD, MS, MSc, MDS, MPH, and MSc Nursing. We also have DM and other various courses of higher level. In this video, we will be focusing mainly on the bachelor level entrance examination. Until now, BPKHS used to open forms for the entrance examination in the first week of July, and in the first week of August, they conducted exams, and in the first week of September, the new classes were started. But from now onwards, there will be common entrance examination. That means a single exam will decide the medical students who are to study in various medical colleges of Nepal, that is including BPKHS, Kathmandu University and Tribhuvan University. So you people need to get updated about the latest news. For this, you need to be alert since July of every year, because we don't know if this will be implemented as soon or not. Talking about the exam format, until now BPKHS conducted exam with about 200 questions, which included 50 from physics, 50 from biology, 50 from chemistry, and other 50 from English, GK and health questions. But from now onwards, it also depends on the common entrance examination. So you need to be updated about the news when they will publish the notice about this. Now talking about the criteria that you need to possess in order to sit on the entrance examination. For this, you should pass 10 plus 2 or its equivalent. For Indian students, it is equivalent to CBSE board examinations of grade 12, and you should have certain marks on physics, chemistry and biology. So I have given this in this photo. You can pause the video to read it. Now talking about the seats available. At first, let's talk about the MBBS category. For Nepali students, we have total of 75 seats, all of which are sponsored by Ministry of Education, Nepal. So all these are scholarship seats, which includes 41 general seats and 34 reserved seats. Now talking about the international tuition fee scheme, which includes 19 seats. So Indian students are included in these seats. This includes HSTFS, that is heavily subsidized tuition fee scheme, then that contains 4 seats, and partial subsidized tuition fee scheme that contains 6 seats, and 9 international tuition fee scheme. So yes, being an Indian student, you can get scholarship. Now talking about the faculty, there are 4 seats for faculty and it's 2 seats for staff. In faculty, HSTFS contains 2 seats and PSTFS contains 2 seats. For staff, it's 1 in each in HSTFS and PSTFS. So I will be mentioning about this HSTFS, PSTFS and ITFS category separately later in this video. So moving on to the BDS, Bachelor in Dental Surgery seats, then we have a total of 50 seats, out of which 38 seats are sponsored by the Nepalese government, and that is HSTFS category, in which there are 21 open seats and 17 reserved seats. Out of the 12 seats remaining, PSTFS includes 1 staff quota and HSTFS includes 1 staff quota. And for foreign students, that is ITFS, there are total 10 seats for BDS. So talking about the Bachelor in Science Nursing, we have total of 40 seats. For male there are 6 seats and for female there are 34 seats, which includes HSTFS 14, PSTFS 20, FTFS 6. Now moving on to the BSc MIT, which includes total of 10 seats, out of which HSTFS consists of 7 seats and FTFS, that is full tuition fee scheme, consists of 3 seats. We need to know about the various fee categories, that is HSTFS, PSTFS and FTFS or ITFS. HSTFS means heavily subsidized tuition fee scheme. That means you need to pay very little amount of money, that is which is equivalent to the scholarship, full scholarship. And talking about the partially PSTFS, partially subsidized tuition fee scheme, that is you need to pay almost half of the total full. And talking about the full tuition fee scheme or international tuition fee scheme, for this you need to pay more about the full payment. Moving on to the fees, at first we will be talking about the MBBS, which includes HSTFS category. For HSTFS category, if you are sponsored by Ministry of Education, Government of Nepal, then you need to pay somewhere around 2.5 lakhs. But if you are not sponsored by Ministry of Education, that is for the faculty and staff, and for the Indian category or international tuition fee scheme, you need to pay somewhere around 7 to 8 lakhs. So for PSTFS category, tuition fee includes 13.5 lakhs, so which adds up to 42 lakhs, including other fees. And for international tuition fee scheme, the tuition fee adds up to $70,000, and including the other expenses, it adds up to a total of $75,000. So you can multiply your dollars by the Indian currency value. Now moving on to the BDS. For HSTFS category that is not sponsored by the Ministry of Education, it is 7 lakh. But for those sponsored by the Ministry of Education, it is similar to the MBBS, that is somewhere around 2.5 lakhs. And for PSTFS category, it is about 18.5 lakhs only for the tuition fee, and it adds up to about 20 to 22 lakhs in total. And for the international tuition fee scheme or the full tuition fee scheme, it is about $27,000, which adds up to about $35,000 in total, including the other fees. So now talking about the Bachelor in Science Nursing, for HSTFS category it is about 5.5 lakhs Nepalese rupees, and in PSTFS category it is about 12.6 lakhs, and in international tuition fee scheme it is about $27,000. Now talking about the Bachelor in Science MIT, for HSTFS category it is about 4.5 lakh, and there is no PSTFS category. For international tuition fee scheme, that it includes about $13,000. So a lot of people keep on asking me in Messenger and my comment section that which books should I read for the medical entrance examination. So I have divided my books into 2 main types. That is, one includes the basic dose and the other the extra dose. So basic dose includes the basic knowledge you should have in order to pass an entrance examination. So these are my choices, which includes physics module of the NAME Institute, chemistry professor, biology professor, and NAME biology. And once you have completed studying these books, so you need to level up to the extra dose that includes the various books like 2 Mains biology, objective physics, objective chemistry, and such kind of books. And I also believe in the question practice. My suggestion is that you should practice daily 1 question set paper, or you can give 1 day in a week for the question practice only. So now moving on to the dress code of BPGHS. For MBBS, BDS and BSc MIT, there is no dress code, but you need to wear apron, and also you need to wear decent, otherwise you will be kicked out of the classes. And for BSc Nursing, there is a dress code. Now talking about the duration of the courses. For MBBS, it is about 5.5 years, which includes 2 years of the basic science and 2.5 years of the clinical science and 1 year of internship. For BSc Nursing, it is about 4 years. For BSc MIT, it is about 4 years. For BDS, it is same as MBBS. Okay, so let's suppose you got admission in BPGHS. So what are the facilities you have in BPGHS? BPGHS has its own hostel, gym, ground, basketball court, badminton court, tennis court, garden, school, golf course, shop inside its own area, and many more. Now moving on to the teaching format of the BPGHS, we are talking about the MBBS. For MBBS in basic science we have SIS and labs. In clinical science we have SIS, CBL, STDs, and in alternate years a 2 weekly field trip is organized by the community medicine department, which includes CDP in the first year, Epipen in the third year, Alpine in the fourth year, and besides this there is a weekly field trip that is called learning in field, family health exercises, sectors. And also we do have a whole 1 month allocated for our research training in third year. Now moving on to the curriculum of the BBKHS. For MBBS, we have these books in the basic science, and for clinical majors we have these books, and for clinical minors we have these books. Now talking about the bonding, before you get admission in BBKHS, you need to sign an agreement with the government of Nepal. This one is for those studying in scholarship. So you have to work for 2 years as medical officer in the district allocated by the government. BBKHS organizes many programs with the above students. BP Jayanti yearly marathon, New Year programs, sports weeks, Saraswati Pujas, Holi celebrations, and of course how can we forget the biggest fest that is organized 2 yearly, that is Synapse. If you haven't watched anything about Synapse, then you can watch this link. There is nothing such as the youth political parties that we can see in the other institutions of Nepal. But we do have various clubs, which includes various clubs like Student Welfare Society, BBKHS Sports Club, Parikrama Students Family, Blood Donation Committee, Nepal National Unit of UNESCO Chair in Bioethics, Leo Club of Dharangopa United, Rotaract Club of Dharangopa United, Visions for Social Responsibility Nepal, and many more. Since BBKHS lies in Dharan, so is Dharan a lively city? Of course it is, because we do have various things in Dharan. There are lots of restaurants, lots of pubs. We have Bheritar nearby. We have Namje for homestay. We have Chindedara for your hike. We have lots of temples and lots of many entertaining things to do in Dharan. About the various information about the common entrance examination, I will be updating in the description or in the comment section. So please do check. So I hope this video gave you some information about BBKHS and how to join BBKHS. If you want to know anything else about BBKHS or anything else related to the medical field, do let me know in the comment section. So thank you for watching this video, guys. Do share, do subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon and help me grow.